started leaving the TV on at night because the apartment felt empty when it was quiet. One night, around 2 a.m., the sound cut out for a second. In that silence, I heard something else. A faint tapping, slow, deliberate, coming from inside the ceiling above my bed. I stared up, listening. The tapping stopped the moment I moved. The TV sound returned. The next night, it happened again. Same time, same silence, same tapping. This time, I didn't move. The tapping continued, closer together, like fingers testing the surface. Then I heard it slide, something dragging itself across the ceiling, directly above me. I held my breath. The sound stopped. A quiet voice whispered from above, muffled by plaster. "Good. You're awake." The TV turned back on by itself. I never leave it on anymore, because now, when the apartment is silent, I can hear it waiting for the sound to disappear.